Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the instrumentation process control. તો પ્રોસેસ કંટ્રોલના આપણે મોસ્ટ ઓફ બધા પતી ગયા છે. નાવ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું આપણે ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટેશન. નાવ ધ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન પાર્ટ ઓફ પ્રોસેસ મેઝરમેન્ટ યુનિટ નંબર 11. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન પાર્ટ જોઈશું. દેન એલિમેન્ટ્સ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ, દેન પાર્ટ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ્સ, static and dynamic characteristics. Simply 1, 2, 3 topic in this chapter, and chapter is completely finished. Now the introduction part. In this chapter, the basic concept of the process instrumentation (PI). I discuss the need and scope of the process instrumentation. Are explained in detail. The basic measurement problem analysis is discussed along with the functional element and operating characteristics, static and dynamic of the measurement element, the concentration and working of the various types of transducers and intermediate element, including the recording element, and some explained in detail part. To be the place with the last development in the field of the process instrumentation, use of microprocesses, okay, and microcontrols based on the instrumentation part. The system are conducted and introduced to the end of this chapter. Okay, this is the simply introduction part, and the need and scope of the PI, process instrumentation PI. To cover the measurement of various involved in these processes, some industries such as chemical, petroleum, power generation, conditioning, metallurgical, food, textile, paper, and many other industries. Now the instrumentation encompasses the areas of detection and the control and analysis of this data. Some applications of instrumentation system result is saving in time and labor involved, the better quickly control, higher plant utilization, better manpower, productivity, material, and the energy saving matter. The typical applications of instrument system are the measurement of system of the process parameter, control of the processor operation, to simulate experimentally the actual conditions of complexes, the system which help to the study the true behavior of the system under different operating and conditioning. This information is obtained from a scale model which is learned and translated into the design and the development of the prototype. Okay, instrumentation are used to perform operation. Okay, instrumentation used to perform operation on a measurement singles such as addition part, subtraction, multiplication, this 6 point, okay, and the linearization, etc. Instrumentation system are used for conducting experimental design studies to supplement design and development studies. Experimental measurement are used for verifying physical phenomena and scientific theories. The quality control of product, manufacturing of process product as per the national international standard and the specification, this ensure that the product function as per the expectation part. Now the measurement system જોઈશું, આખી જનરલાઇઝેશનની સિસ્ટમ છે. ઓકે, ઇનપુટ મેઝરમેન્ટ, ટ્રાન્સડ્યુસર્સ, સિંગલ કંટ્રોલર, એમાં પાવર સપ્લાય થશે, એન્ડ કમ્પ્લીટલી ફિલ્ટર, એન્ડ ધ કન્વર્ટર, digital display system, digital controller, digital printer, digital storage, analogy display device to process control utilities. Okay, all the discussion part is there. First of all, draw the chart. Now, the transducers, which device the convert the measured is a quantity property or a condition be measured into a usable output from such a displacement current voltages. Now the resistance change, capacitance, therefore a transducers may be mechanical, electrical, magnetic, optical, chemical, or static, thermal, nuclear in the construction part. Many applications use the electrical transducer, which convert a physical, mechanical, or optical quality to be measured into an electrical voltage current of the resistance change proportional to the input measurement. The electrical output signals can be amplified, transmitted over longer distance with some modifications to meet the requirement of the including or controlling element. Now, the single conditioner display device is power supply, measurement problem analysis, secondary direct indirect routine performance characteristics any static characteristics. Okay, આ ખાસ જોવાનું છે આપણે સ્ટેટિક અને ડાયનેમિક પાર્ટ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટેશન સ્ટેટિક અને ડાયનેમિક કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ આ ખાસ યુનિટ નંબર 11 માં છે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન ઓફ પ્રોસેસ મેઝરમેન્ટ જે એક્ઝામમાં પૂછી શકાય છે વારંવાર એટલે ખાસ ધ્યાન આપજો. Accuracy of a measuring system is defined as closeness of the instrument output to the true value of the measurement quantity. In a practice, accuracy in expressed in terms of the inaccuracy, deviations or percentage error in the value of 3 measurement from the true value. Therefore, the algebraic differences between the actual indicated value and a true value માટે of the measured in is termed as the error of the instrument, which is usually expressed in percent wise of the full scale output. Okay, accuracy can be expressed either in terms of the true value. ઓકે ફૂલ સ્કેલ માટે હવે જોઈએ વેલ્યુઝ એની ફોલોસ તો એક્યુરેસી કેટલી આવશે મેઝર્ડ વેલ્યુ માઇનસ ટ્રુ વેલ્યુ બાય ટ્રુ વેલ્યુ મલ્ટીપ્લાય 100 એટલે આ એક ખાસ તમે 1% લખી લો. Which is the equation? Percentage accuracy, measured value on a true value divided by true value plus multiplied 100. Now the measured value minus true value by full scale value plus multiplied 100. Okay, the accuracy significance area, the full scale is less accurate than the percentage true value. The types of some error, systematic or cumulative error. These errors have the same magnetic and sign for a given set of conditions. Hence, they get accumulated. They are later the instrumentation reading by the fixed magnitude. These errors are caused due to the following factors. Okay, this is second one error, environmental errors, loading error, miscellaneous error, recursions, linearity, graphical system, static sensitivity જોઈએ, drift છે, then of dynamic static characteristics જોડી છે આપણે. This is the dynamic characteristics. Okay, dynamic response of instrument refer output behavior. When input single change dynamically with a time, dynamic characteristics of the instrument are determined. When it is used for measurement of dynamic or time varying quantities, the standard test singles ideal forcing function and the dynamic input signal to an instrument may be of the following types: transient input, another one. Okay, this is a parabolic input, triangular input and a step input. अलग अलग પ્રેક્ટિસ માટે જોઈએ તો ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ છે, ઇનપુટ સિંગલ વર્સિસ ટાઈમ, ઇનપુટ સિંગલ વર્સિસ ટાઈમ અને ઇનપુટ સિંગલ વર્સિસ ટાઈમ પર ગ્રાફિકલી અલગ અલગ છે, કર્વ, ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર અને સ્ક્વેર. In a practice, usually the input x1 changes suddenly from an initial zero value to a value access is certain time t, as shown in the figure. Known as step changes, this can be mathematically represented as x of t is equal to 0, t less than 0, x of s t greater than 0. Okay, RAM input graph draw. If input increases and decreases માટે સ્લોપ આપ્યો છે. This is a figure 1.29. Okay, now the impulse input is the શોર્ટમાં જોવાનું છે આપણે. 1/a યાદ રાખજો, ઇક્વેશન યાદ રાખજો, a મલ્ટીપ્લાય 1/a. પેરાબોલિક ઇનપુટ માટે આ ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ આ છે, સિનુસોઇડલ, ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર અને સ્ક્વેર વેવ. The periodic input versus cyclically with the time as shown in this figure 1.30. The represent is equations. This one, random input. Okay, the first chapter is completely over. Temperature measurement આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું, બરાબર. આખો આઉટરો કરી લેજો એકવાર ખાસ. રેન્ડમ ઇનપુટ માટે છે. ના માટે સ્ટેટિક અને ડાયનેમિક કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ પૂછવાની શક્યતા વધારે છે. બરાબર. સિનુસોઇડલ ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર ઇક્વેશન યાદ રાખવાનું. એ સાઇન ઓમેગા ટી, એમ્પ્લિટ્યુડ ઓસિલેશન્સ, રેન્ડમ, રેડિયન ફ્રીક્વન્સીઝ ઓફ ઓસિલેશન, parabolic input, impulse input, okay, ramp input, this is input. Okay, so thank you so much.